What if I told you? The best diet in the world doesn't count calories, doesn't ban chocolate, and still helps you get slim and healthy, fast? Forget boring meal plans. This is real food, real results, and a totally simple way to eat. Stick around, this might be the last diet video you'll ever need. Why this diet works. This isn't just any diet. It's based on the Mediterranean diet, consistently ranked the world's healthiest. We've upgraded it, more protein, more fiber, more balance, without ever skipping breakfast. You won't starve or obsess. You'll eat real food, and feel amazing. Meal rhythm that boosts fat burning. Here's the shift, no skipping meals, no waiting till noon. You'll eat real food at the right times, with 4 to 5 hour gaps between meals. Why? Because spacing meals helps regulate blood sugar, prevent overeating, and fire up your metabolism. Start with a solid breakfast, follow with a hearty lunch, a light snack, and a clean, early dinner. Your body gets time to burn, not just store fat. What to eat, real meals. Let's break it down. What does a full day of smart, slimming meals actually look like? Don't worry, this isn't about boring salads or tiny portions. This is real food, inspired by the Mediterranean way of eating, full of color, nutrients, and flavor. Breakfast, 8 a.m. Start your day with a nourishing mix of whole grains like oats or cooked grains, topped with seeds, a spoon of plain yogurt, and fresh fruit like berries or banana. Prefer savory? Try eggs with leafy greens, a few slices of tomato or avocado, and a piece of whole grain bread. A balanced breakfast keeps your blood sugar steady and your cravings in check all morning. Lunch, 12:30 p.m. This is where Mediterranean magic shines. Build your plate like this, a portion of lean protein, grilled fish, lentils, beans, or eggs. Lots of vegetables, both raw and cooked. A small side of whole grains or root vegetables, like brown rice, quinoa, or boiled potatoes. A drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprinkle of herbs for flavor. It's balanced, satisfying, and great for your heart, brain, and waistline. Snack, 4 p.m. if needed. Keep your energy up with a handful of nuts or seeds, a piece of fresh fruit, or a small portion of raw vegetables with plain yogurt or olive oil dip. It's just enough to recharge you without spiking your blood sugar. Dinner, 6:30 or 7 p.m. Dinner should be light but deeply nourishing. Try a small serving of protein, tofu, fish, lentils, or beans. A big portion of steamed or roasted vegetables. Add herbs, lemon, and olive oil to boost taste and digestion. A light dinner helps your body rest, heal, and burn fat naturally overnight. After dinner, avoid eating late. That gap between dinner and breakfast is when your body resets, repairs, and gently burns fat. This daily meal flow is simple, flexible, and backed by science. It's how people in Mediterranean regions live long, healthy, and energized lives, and now, it can work for you too. Weekly Green Reset. Here's a secret weapon, a weekly Green Reset day. 1 day a week. Load up on greens, lentils, smoothies, and herbs. It's a gentle detox, boosts digestion, and helps reset cravings. without starving yourself. Why this is backed by science. This method is science approved. Mediterranean foods reduce heart disease, diabetes, and brain fog. High protein, high fiber meals help burn fat and build lean muscle. Meal timing improves insulin sensitivity and reduces cravings. It's like weight loss injections, but naturally. How to start. Here's how to begin. Eat breakfast within an hour of waking. Space meals 4 to 5 hours apart, no grazing. Eat whole, colorful, protein-rich foods. Try a weekly green reset day. Drink plenty of water, between meals, not with them. It's simple. It works. It feels good. This isn't just a diet, it's a rhythm. Try it for 7 days. You'll feel lighter, more focused, and in control. Want a free 7-day meal plan? Drop a green salad in the comments. And hey, like, subscribe, and send this to your friend who's always starting over on Monday.